Captain.
Yes. Your applause is so appreciated, but please, they're here too.
First of all, we are honored to meet the fans of the show. I'm honored to meet my fans. Selena's honored to meet her fans. Marty is honored. Marty is happy just to be here.
Well, what do you say, Selena? What are your thoughts?
I wanted to say, well, because, you know, you do like the attention, so I just...
Oh, no, that's not who I am. I'm masking shyness. Oh, go ahead.
I'm very, very, very grateful to all of you. You're the reason that we're here and the reason we get to do what we love. And I'm so honored that these two wonderful legends have just taken me under their wing, and they're amazing influences and just such good people.
I'm so thankful that these two legends have used me.
Group hug!
Anyway, we just wanted to say thanks so much for coming. I hug them all the time.
Yes.
And we hope you enjoyed as much as we
You know,
do.
what, may I interrupt you? I'm sorry.
Yes,
Our
please.
show that you're going to see tonight, this is the first episode. It's not only murders, it's a different show. It's, what's it called? Hawks? No. Hacks. Yeah, anyway, no, we're into only murders. And we were nominated for 21 Emmys.
That you would come tonight and see our show. We are very proud of this season, and we are thrilled that you are here.
Oh my God. Yeah, I think we're done.
Okay.
So thank you very much. Enjoy the show. Oh, we want to take a photo. We want to take a group photo. They've asked us to take a group photo.
How do
Yeah.
we do that? I need a selfie or something. Oh, there it is.
I think we're going to come out this way. I'm going to fall off here and die. And,
Let's-
you know, this is
let's avoid that.
obviously, this is a stage that rises and falls. I hope that...
Much like your career.
Yes.